Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday the 11th of November. The euro appreciated against its major counterparts after a string of developments appear to turn the sentiment for the future of the euro around. The Greek political leaders have named Lucas Papadimos, ex-vice president of the European Central Bank, as their new prime minister to lead the coalition government. Berlusconi reiterated his intention to resign the moment the Italian Senate approved the stability package today. There were rumours over a possible cut of France's rating. S&P clarified that this was due to an error and it will investigate and be affirmed. France's AAA status versus the US dollar, the single currency advanced to 136.09 from 135.25. Against the Swiss franc, the euro rose to 123.29 from 123.21. The US dollar was softer against the basket of currencies as headlines from Europe increased risk sentiment. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar retraced to 0.9058 from 0.9109. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback fell to 77.70 from 78.08. The Japanese Finance Minister Azumi refused to comment on rumours that claim the Bank of Japan made subsequent interventions since the 31st of October intervention. The Australian dollar moved slightly higher to 101.51 from 101.38 against the US dollar after the unemployment figures improved slightly. The British pound followed suit, rising to 159.38 from 159.12 against the US dollar. This came after the official bank rate was left unchanged at 0.5%. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices climb to $97.03 a barrel from $95.33. Gold fell further to $1,752.37 an ounce from $1,771.64, and silver dropped to $33.83 an ounce from $34.10. So let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 135.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 135.50. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 78.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.30. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.10. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160 with a preference to enter into short positions at 160. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 10160 with a preference to enter into long positions at 10160. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 96 with a preference to enter into long positions at 96. The gold pivot point is at 1778 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1778. And the silver pivot point is at 34.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 34.25. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK Producer Price Index for October forecast to drop by minus 0.10%, and US preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment for November forecast to rise to 61.5. Now on to equities. In Europe, they were mixed, with the FTSE down 0.28%, the DAX up 0.66%, and the CAC was down 0.34%. In the US, they were positive, with the SP 500 up 0.86%, and the Dow was up 0.96%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.16%, and the Hang Seng was up 0.89%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Team Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.